right, now that my Ready Whip is on my wax paper, I'm gonna grab my sprinkle mix, just some festive sprinkles, and I'm gonna decorate our little whipped cream mountains. Oh yeah, we want these to be extra festive for Christmas. You could do some chocolate chips or some mini marshmallows, but I personally love sprinkles. And look how fun those look. Okay, now these are gonna go in the freezer for about 4 hours. All right, we're starting off with 1 bag of milk chocolate chips on low heat. I found this peppermint bark chocolate, and this is like a dip. And we are going to go ahead and add some of this into our pot. Now, if you can't find this, that's totally fine. You could add some peppermint chips, but I just think this looks so velvety and rich and is going to go beautifully with our whipped topping in the freezer. Now we're going to grab our preferred milk choice, which ours is whole milk. And we are going to put a couple of cups into our chocolate.
Made like a little heart.
Last but not least, we're going to add a little bit of half and half. About 1 cup of that. Now that chocolate's going to melt, and we're going to want to whisk that into our milks so that we get the most velvety, delicious peppermint hot cocoa. All right, that chocolate has fully melted. Look how rich and delicious that looks. It is time to serve this. I have my cute little mug and my ladle. Oh, it's so thick and creamy. The best kind of hot cocoa. You do not need to be buying those packets of hot cocoa because homemade is this easy.
And it's gonna be pepperminty.
Oh yeah, that's the best part. A little bit more, and then we'll go check on our whipped cream. All right, these are fully hardened, and look, we can just get them right off of that wax paper, just like so. And then we have our cup of hot cocoa that we can just slide it right into.
Oh, that's so cool.
All right, let's give this a try. So fun to do with kids for the holidays, or if you just want a little sweet treat, this is what you should do. That hot cocoa, incredible.